All right, we got the fish. Let's go. Ooh, clean it out. Gut it, clean it out. Let's go. Cut it up. All right, rinse it off. Big Red Reacts. Let's go. Be sure to follow, guys, for more exclusive content. Chop, chop, baby. All right, stuffing the fish. Ooh, boy, you know what you're doing, boy. Get up there, fish, boy. Limit down, baby. Okay. Huh. Alright. Fresh cucumber, tomato, cilantro, some lettuce, onion, little oils, little solo lemon, mix it up real good, y'all. Okay. Wow. Y'all, here we go. If you made it this far, be sure to follow, guys. Right, let's chop it up. Let's get it prepped up, baby. What we got? Chop it up for me. All right. I like some soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce. I don't know what kind of sauce we got there. All right, we making kebabs, baby. All right. Looks like beef. I'm not 100% sure. It looks like it. Mushrooms. Ooh, mushrooms. Okay. Tomatoes. Oh, he got fancy with it. He got all fancy with it, didn't he? Oh. Look at that, boy. That's some real outdoor cooking right there. Look at that. Oh, hey, show me some, dog. Ooh. Okay. What was that? That wasn't part of the cooking. Sound like a woodpecker out there. Oh, man. Cut up, man. Woo, that look good. Woo. All right, I don't know if I can take no more, y'all. All right, look like some thick cut bacon right there with some potatoes. All right, seasoning, we wrapping it up into some foil here. All right, another fire pit on the ground. Oh my goodness. Woo, boy. Hey, y'all, I was not hungry when I started this, but now I'm hungry, guys. All right, I'm hungry. All right. Cheat meat. All right. Rub. Ain't nothing like a good dry rub on some meat. Yes, sir. Oh, he about to bury you, y'all. He is about to. I knew it. You about to bar cut up. That is the best way to cook meat right there, y'all. Bury it. Let it slow simmer cook. Oh, Lord, oh, fresh bread, but he made that bread too. He had to make that bread. That look like a fresh loaf of bread right there. Oh. Can I get a bite?